I got video. Huge snake.
Blackford.
Oh, there it goes. Go, you gotta go.
Yeah, this one's running. Oh yeah, he's not happy.
Go for it, Tom.
I am. Yeah, this guy's definitely running this.
Snake man.
Go do tough guy.
You want a stick?
Yeah, if you got me a stick, that'd be great.
Got him.
Give it a slight toss.
What kind of snake is it?
I think it's either copperhead or water moccasin. Looks like a water moccasin.
Poisonous?
Yep, very poisonous. Definitely poisonous.
Hey, let's get close up.
Venom glands right here and here. Can you open for daddy? Nope.
Picture?
Go for it.